So today we are going to install a new gear knob. I think this one here looks pretty dated, so I got this new one here. Let me show you. Yeah, what? I think this is some mirrors to put on the side mirrors out here. I will of course never use this, but I think we have some cables here. Should be fairly easy just to connect those. Just simple instruction manual here and the new gear knob itself here. First progress, of course we will first have to pull off this, and I'm sure we will have to use a bit of force, so I'll have to take off my Rolex just because I think it doesn't like these shocks. So let's put this here nice aside. Put it in neutral. Put the handbrakes. Yeah, nice BMW, bling, bling, bling. Has here a symbol that have to be careful because now it can move back and forward. Okay, so let's try to pull it. That wasn't too hard. Maybe 10-15 kilograms of force. And we should be able to pull this off here. You can just take your hands down here and lift it. Press onto this tab. Let me see if you can. Blue connector. Yeah. So we got rid of this cover here. What I didn't show on camera is I just give it a few knocks here so that now it's locked. I can't pull it in reverse or anything. Now step on the brake, still can't. And will you please stop this annoying? Yep, so M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, 6-speed transmission. It's in drive, neutral, reverse, and park. So this button has no function at all, but I also expected that. But it looks okay. I'm okay, satisfied with it. Just the light here is not, and I think it should be in red color, but nevertheless, then you have the red color here. So, but I think for a while I will still have this old knob here. I don't actually need any tools to replace it. So thank you for watching the video. I think it's okay. It's not perfect, but still looks more nice than the old gear knob here. So I think that was it.